Oh my god, this is terrifying. Ah. Oh my god. This is terrifying. There's a hole in our van. What have we done? Okay, so we now have loads of holes around this panel in our van, which is pretty scary. But the next thing we're going to do is use a nibbler to basically join the dots and cut out this whole panel to make room for the window. This is what it looks like from the outside. Kind of just looks like our van's been shot at loads in a really rectangular shape. It's probably going to be fine. Okay, so we've drawn all around the edges. So, oh my god, the next thing we have to do is to use the nibbler and chop it all out.
Could have been worse.
So now for the exciting part. We've got the window all ready, we've got the rubber seal on, and now it's time to stick the actual window on. Ah! The window is on, the beautiful window. God, that was cool. What do you think, Shimba?
Shimba.
Oh, I'm so happy. It looks so good.